Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2020 Ford F-150 Lariat. This is the Super Crew. So I figured with the recent launch of the 2021 F-150, I wanted to go ahead and take a look at the outgoing F-150 because it's still a magnificent truck. With the Super Crew, opens up like so to get into the back seat. This one's fitted with the 2.7 liter EcoBoost. Whatever, I'm not even gonna bother. Total price of exactly $50,000 to the penny. Iconic silver over medium gray leather. It's a very, very nice spec on this one. I'm gonna go ahead and head inside because it is 11 degrees Fahrenheit. Does it work? No. This truck was pretty much dead as a doornail. It almost didn't start. It's that cold. Of course, you know, they don't drive too much while sitting on the lot. So some of the features aren't really working, auto start stop and such. But maybe about halfway through the drive it should start working. Alright, we'll go ahead, take it for a drive. 10-speed automatic, one of my favorite transmissions. A little slippery. Of course, we're in two-wheel drive. Actually, I'm reviewing a diesel after this, and I don't know if the diesel's gonna start. It's that cold out. Of course, we don't have it plugged in or anything like that, so it'll be an interesting test, to say the least. Over some ice, ABS works nicely. I do love the F-150. It's one of my favorite. I think it would go Ram, F-150, Silverado, or Sierra, then Silverado for my personal list of favorites. But the Ram and F-150 are very, very close up. They're pretty much tied for first and second. They are that much fun. Hopefully I'll be able to get behind the wheel of a TRX because I absolutely adore the Raptor, so I'm very, very curious to see how the TRX stacks up against the Raptor, which it should blow it out of the water given power figures and such. It is quick, man. That's the one thing Ford got right with these cars or trucks. All the engines have a ton of torque and are just absolutely great to drive around town. Head on into our suspension test. That's my zipper. not bad over these bumps. I laugh because they're trying to clean the cars off. Well, you know, it's not funny, but it's like, yeah, you should have done that a couple days ago before it's... What's the temperature out right now? 15 degrees. It's not supposed to get above 25. Put into perspective, that's part of the Atlantic Ocean, and it's frozen. Yeah. That's salt water, and it's frozen. Yeah, I'll go that way. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.